Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Always Room for Growth from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Always room for growth. How do you focus on a new story when you're sick and broke? Distract yourself from the current situation and focus on wellness and prosperity. Focus on what brings joy and focus on all the reasons you can summon to live. Once you notice progress, know that's your indication. You're always in control. And know that's your indication. There's always room for growth. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you. If you're able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life. Today, yesterday, anytime. Just think of 3 things that you're grateful for. I am grateful for yesterday, I didn't have to do grocery shopping. My wife did. Gave me extra time to do some work. I'm also very grateful for the dinner I had. I am also very grateful for sunscreen. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.